hear me from heaven? Today the silence weighed more. I keep your laughter in my memory, and your warmth in my soul. The flowers in the garden ask, why don't you come to see them anymore? And the wind gently embraces me as if it were you again. I look for you in every star and dust. I speak to you softly in case you can't return. Even if you're not here, I feel you next to me. Your love has no end. I walk with your voice in my heart, and with every step I give you my song. Mama, one day I'll see you again. Even in heaven, wait for me. I keep your letters and your scent in the scarf you gave me yesterday. Sometimes I close my eyes and I think I hear you clearly. You taught me to be brave, even if today I cry for your goodbye. And every tear carries a piece of your love.